Hey guys, I'm Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain possessive adjectives. Alright, so what is a possessive adjective? So here there's two different words that we have to focus on. The first word is possessive. Possessive. Okay, so that word is a good word to translate, especially if you don't understand that word. It's a little difficult to understand. So possessive means to own or possess something. Maybe you buy something. Okay, so for example, if I go to the store and buy a new computer, I go to the store, I give them money, and now the computer is my computer. That's possessive. I'm the owner of the computer. Okay, that's what we're looking at, the word possessive. And adjective is a part of speech, which means to describe a person, place, thing, or idea, or to describe a noun. Okay, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. If you have more questions about nouns, I do have a different video about nouns and you can watch that one too. Okay, so here we have the word subject and possessive adjective. So in this picture you see a woman with a key and a new car. Okay, so this key is for the woman with the white shirt. So we can say that is her key. Okay, her key. That's the possessive part, the word her. I cannot say that is she key. That's not correct. That's the subject. Okay, so that's what we're practicing, these words that go in front of the noun. Okay, so on the other side of the screen you see it says subject and possessive adjective. Okay, so on the left side we have the subject. Okay, who is the subject? All right, the subject is the person who usually talks or is the actor of the sentence, right? Usually it's before the verb, like I, you, we, they, and all those people. Okay, so we're going to change the subject to the possessive adjective, just so you can see what they correspond to. So we have I is my, so my car. He, which is one man, he is his car. She is one woman, she is her car. It, so it is one thing or one animal. So it is its car. We, right? We is first person plural, which means me and somebody else, or more people. So we is our car. They is two or more people. That's not me, right? Somebody who is separate. So they is their car. And you is the second person. So this is the person listening. And you can be singular, which means one person, or plural, which is two or more people. So you is your car. Okay, so here we have a very cute dog. I think he's so cute. So here is another help for you. So possessive adjectives go in front of a noun. That's the location. It's not the first word of a sentence. Like I go to the park. I is the subject, right? But here, if we put it before a noun, and we're talking about possession or ownership, then yes, we can use it. Okay, and why do we use these? Because they help describe the ownership or possession. Okay, so for example, this white dog, I can say, my dog is very cute. My dog is very cute. So who is the owner of the dog? Is it you? No, it's me, right? I, teacher Elo, my dog. Okay, so that's what we're showing. Who is the owner of the dog? We use this word my, right? If this was my brother's dog, I can say his dog is very cute. His dog, because my brother is one man. Okay, I hope that helps. Alright, so here's some examples to help you out. If you want to write these down somewhere or save them on your computer so you can practice, that would be a good idea. Okay, first one. My dog is very cute. My dog is very cute. Jim lost his phone. Jim lost his phone. Okay, so here his is the ownership of the phone, and it's with Jim, and Jim is one man. Janet drives her car every day. Janet drives her car every day. Okay, so here we have Janet, that's one woman, and the possessive adjective is her. The restaurant is delicious. Its food is freshly made. The restaurant is delicious. Its food is freshly made. Okay, here we have its, and it is about the restaurant, right? One thing or one place. My husband and I live in an apartment. Our neighborhood is quiet. My husband and I live in an apartment. Our neighborhood is quiet. Okay, so here we have the adjective our, and it's referring to my husband and I. That's two people, right? First person, plural. The children are playing with their toys. The children are playing with their toys. Okay, here the possessive adjective is there, and it's talking about the children. Right, so the word children, how many people is that? Yeah, so children is two or more people. If you just have one, you have one daughter or one son, you would say child, right? And you like to practice English on your computer. You like to practice English on your computer. So here the possessive adjective is your, and we're talking about you, which again is the second person, the person listening. And remember, you can be one person or more. Alright, so like always, we have a quick practice here. You have a few sentences. Go ahead and write these down in your notebook or write the answers somewhere. I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video, and then I'll give you the answers. Okay, so I hope you paused the video. I'm going to give you the answers now. Okay, so here are the answers. First one. The students take their quiz on the computer. Okay, so the students is plural, and their. Next one. The cat is eating its food. Okay, so the cat, that's one animal. It's, very good. Okay, next one. Lucy is wearing her favorite sweater. So Lucy is one woman and her. Next one. We like to eat at Mega Burgers. It's our favorite restaurant. So here the subject is we and our. Okay, next one. You look like your father. Okay, so here the subject is you and the adjective is your. You and your. And last one, I always prepare my lunch at 1 o'clock or 1 p.m. So that's I, that's first person. So my is the possessive adjective. Okay, I hope you did really good. If you have any questions on these, or you have maybe different sentences that you want to check with me or anything, make sure you leave that in the comments or send me an email and I can try to help you with those. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something about possessive adjectives. And remember to subscribe if you can, leave a comment if you like, and thank you for your time.